In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Google Slides in Messenger. By the end, you'll know the simplest, most reliable way to share your presentation, so anyone you send it to can open it instantly. Start by opening your presentation in Google Slides. Make sure you're signed in and that you have the exact file you want to share on your screen. Look to the top right corner and click the Share button. This opens the sharing window, which controls who can view your deck. In the sharing window, you'll see an access section. Change it from restricted to anyone with the link. This setting is important because it removes the need for the recipient to request access or sign in. Right next to that, you can choose the level of permission. Viewer is best if you only want people to read or present the slides. Commenter allows them to leave feedback without changing the content. Editor gives full editing rights. If you're not sure, stick with viewer to keep things simple and secure. Once you've set access, click Copy Link. That places the unique shareable link on your clipboard so it's ready to paste anywhere. Remember, this link always opens the most current version of your slides, so any updates you make later will automatically be visible to recipients. Now, open Facebook Messenger. You can use the mobile app or the web version. Either works the same for this. Go to the conversation where you want to send your presentation. Click or tap in the message box, paste the link you just copied, and hit send. Messenger will typically generate a clickable preview, but even if it doesn't appear, the link will still work. Your recipient can now open the link and view your Google Slides without asking for permission. If someone tells you they can't access it, the most common cause is that the file is still set to restricted, so double check that the access is set to anyone with the link. A quick privacy note: anyone with the link means exactly that. Anyone who receives or forwards it can open the presentation. Share it only with people you trust, and choose Viewer if you don't want changes made. If you later need to tighten access, you can return to the Share window and adjust permissions. That's all there is to it. Open your Google Slides, click Share, set access to anyone with the link, copy the link, open Facebook Messenger, paste, and send. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.